Today we are here with Geneva.
Hi.
Hi. And I think Geneva grew overnight because she's taller than I am all of a sudden. Okay, so what are we making today?
We're making a Geneva smoothie.
So this is called the Geneva and LYNQ smoothie. So how do we start? We start with
Almond milk.
1.5 cup of almond milk. Then we have 2 cups of frozen strawberries. We lost the strawberry along the way. I also want to mention that this drink is so tropical. I've already tasted it. And that's why Geneva and I are dressed very tropical today. And then we're adding 1.5 cups of mango.
Are you sure that's mango?
I'm positive that that's mango. It's frozen, so. And then we're adding some lemon juice. And then, this is your favorite, right?
Yeah.
Why is it your favorite?
Because it's healthy powder LYNQ. I put into my smoothies and it's really, really good.
So we're gonna add about 1 to 2 teaspoons of this one. It tastes so tropical. I love it. Then we're going to blend it. Cheers, Geneva. Yummy, right?
Yeah.
Absolutely delicious, very fresh. If you find it too thick, don't be afraid to add more almond milk, water. Geneva's just enjoying it, right? It is delicious. Follow us, share us, thumbs up if you like the video. Bye guys, see you next time. Cheers.